Step 1. Download the tool. Head over to EcomSniper.io and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the Download section and click Download EcomSniper. Step 2. Locate the downloaded file. After the download is complete, click on Chrome Downloads, then select Show in Folder to open your Downloads window. Step 3. Open Documents folder in a new window. Next, hover your cursor over Documents, right-click, and choose Open in New Window. Now you'll have two windows open, one for downloads and one for documents. Step 4. Create a folder for extensions. In the Documents window, create a new folder and name it Chrome Extensions. Open the newly created Chrome Extensions folder. Step 5. Extract and move the extension. Back in your Downloads window, locate the eBay lister.zip file and extract it. Once extracted, find the folder named eBay Lister 4 and drag it into your Chrome Extensions folder. Wait for the transfer to complete. Once done, you can close all the folder windows. Step 6. Open Chrome Extension Settings. Now let's install it on Chrome. Open your Chrome browser, click the three dots in the top right corner, and go to Extensions. Manage Extensions. Step 7. Enable Developer Mode. In the top right corner, turn on Developer Mode. Step 8. Load the extension manually. Click Load Unpacked, and a new window will pop up. Navigate to Documents and then to Chrome Extensions. Select the eBay Lister 4 folder and click Select Folder. That's it. You've successfully installed the EcomSniper eBay Lister extension. If you encounter any errors within the extension, please disregard them as they do not affect core functionality.